Okay guys, so here is the box for HZS 400 watt I order from the Shopee. And okay, this is the version I'm using here. And what I do is I bring out the original battery, because the original battery was just like 1000 milliamp, 1000, 2000, 3000. So this is only 3000 battery. But the problem is not, the problem is it was here down right here, and this get very hot. So what I do, I bring out this battery, remove it, and then I just use this one plug here. I bring out the solar also from here, and yeah, let me bring out. So after 2 minutes or 1 or 2 minutes, it get very hot. You cannot touch here because the LED lights make it hot. So the battery here is quite dangerous. This already China cheap battery, as you can see, Hingoli or something, 1000. The real capacity 1000 actually, 1200 only show. So it's get quite very hot. It's exactly down to like that. So that is not good. So I just bring out this, make it some hole here with my machine, for example like this. Simple, I make it some holes, and then I put it this socket, so I can change the battery anytime, any battery, as you can see. So I can, if I want to change big battery, double battery, thick battery, I can change any battery, and I just put it like this. Okay, easy, right here, easy. But the thing is, what I do to make it more cool down, I just make it a little bit holes here. So I have machine, and I make it hole. See, so all the heat sink get the air. So it's very easy and simple, as you can see. See? Here no need, because this side have a kit, so don't do it. You can just do some holes here. So okay, like that. See, for the air I make a small holes here, so no matter what. It's not waterproof anymore, but at least it's long lasting. Okay, so now you can see there's a lot of holes here. So when I close it, it will be very easy and simple. The airflow keep this thing cool down. So now I will make it close this all with the screw. Actually, this two is enough. Okay, for me I think this two is enough. No need to put too much, but if you want to put it, it's okay. So what I do is I put a double tape here and just put it, this one is like that, just like that. Or I can put more extra tape, and that's all. Or I can, this tape is not good quality, so I'm going to do, I remove maybe this one because the quality not good. Okay, and what I'm going to do, this little tape here, I will use the high quality double tape, 3 sorry. This tape I will use it. See, it's gonna be okay. Make it double, because we double. So yeah, okay. They have old glue here. Also, it's so noisy. People are I'm staying in the company. Normally it's not like that. And even have rain and motorbikes still a lot outside. And I'm making video and seems like it's a BSD Tangrang, but seems like I'm staying in the kampong. It's coming in the video actually, whatever I'm talking, but it's okay. People will know what I'm talking. So anyway, so the battery is already fixed here in the middle. So I can choose any big battery, thick battery, and now just simple, easy and simple. See, it still can work and it still can open. Sucrose battery. And actually, if I want big battery, this is the number of the battery exactly. If you this 5,000 milliamp battery, I bring out from old power bank and I use the original batteries. So here you can see the battery model. If you want exact battery number, you can find on Shopee or Tokopedia or AliExpress, Amazon. 1055, I don't know, 868. Yeah, this is the battery number, 18.5. So this is exact battery and this is, I stick it here. That's all. Check again. Just press a little bit. It will be not go anywhere. See, all is work perfectly. So I can open it. I can change the battery from here. This is a terminal, so no worries. I want to make double battery. And the best thing is it's not get hot anymore. So now there's a 2 more screw. But honestly, it's nothing to do a lot of screws here. But I just want to close it like that. It's enough. Okay, because testing also. So okay. After that, all DIY. Have holes here for make it cool down. You can see. Plus, batteries outside. It likes long lasting and more. Wow, perfect. And let's start charging also. Will be okay. Let me check the charging. Yeah, you can see. Start charging. Charging is perfect. It's working. This replaceable battery, power bank DIY. See, start charge. Small red blink in here. So it's perfectly charging, and everything is work fine. So just simple. I can hang it. So battery's not getting hot anymore, and I can replace battery anytime. And actually, technically, this battery is quite thick. You see, this is 3,000 milliamp. This is 5,000 milliamp. But you see, because these batteries are quite thick, and this battery, you see the difference. And lightweight and big battery, 5,000, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 1,200. They write it here, but it's like a fake. It's like a fake, not real. The real is maybe 800 milliamp. Hope you like the video. If any question, you can ask me. But I will recommend you once you buy this kind of model, especially from this one, I will recommend you. This battery will be inside get very hot, and you can make any plug actually. Even you can just solder if you can. It's no problem. And should be see if it's come out like that. So yeah, hope you like it. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe.
Ini untuk piringannya panas banget ya. Terus baterainya juga masih kayak baterai murah Cina punya. Panas juga. Dia panas juga. Ini baru 1 menitan udah panas banget suhunya. Ya, tangan ya. Baru 1 menit gak bisa dipegang tangannya. Ini panas banget. Ini bahaya banget kalau dipakai agak lama, bisa meledak. Jadi nggak sehat. Umur baterainya juga jadi singkat. Baterainya juga panas. Mungkin kalau keseringan kualitas baterai bisa turun. Dan nanti bisa bahayanya lagi malah bisa meledak.
Oh, not good. Tidak bagus.
Udah panas, nggak bisa pegang.
They have another version for external battery. Better choose that one.
Ini sebenarnya harusnya pakainya baterai eksternal.
Outside
jadi di luar, baterainya di luar. Karena kan ini panas.
That one is battery here.
Kena piringan bisa meledak. Nah kalau baterainya di luar, mungkin masih ketolong. Sebenarnya kalau dari cahayanya bagus banget, dia terang banget. Tadi kan ya udah dicoba. Cuma kurangnya itu karena terlalu panas, jadi bisa bahaya juga. Tapi bagus banget, maksudnya terang gitu loh, terang cerah. So ada pilihan levelnya juga.
What we gonna do? We will bring out the battery connection from here.
Jadi nanti mungkin bisa diakalin, kami akan keluarkan baterainya dari sini, kita tempel keluar.
Yeah, so
paling
battery
bisa
will be
kita
external
akalin
much
gitu.
better and less dangerous and not get hot.
Jadi lebih aman juga, nggak cepat panas kalau
And long
baterainya di
lasting
luar,
can work.
dan lebih awet
Uh,
jadinya untuk si lampunya.
yeah, okay. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like,
Uh,
subscribe.
Oke.
Now I have a testing here. I use this battery, but I feel the light is not so bright. So I use the lux meter here. So this is a lux light meter. Okay, everything is zero now. Slightly light in the room. I want to test this and this battery, all both. So I'm going to check which one is better. So first, I'm going to plug this one. Okay. Okay. And this is the dot I'm going to put. Okay. I'm going to put this one here. Exact accuracy. Okay, here better. So now I put it here on the dot, and here the battery, use this one, zero lux there, and I'm going to check light. Okay, this is the battery, and here you can see the lux. Let's check the minute. How many minutes? 200 start. Actually start from 300, 236. Okay. Okay. Slow is going down. At least 1 minute more I want to check. No big difference. 200. Almost less than 200 lux coming here. 199. Okay. Let's start another one now. So maximum is 190 actually. 90, and it's going to be more down. If I use for 10 minutes, it will be down. So let's try another battery here. Bring out this battery, and now plug this one. Okay. This battery again. This is the dot I have to put it here. Okay. Start here. Same dot here. 1, 2, 3. Wow, 400. See the big difference. Same place, both. You see the dot? Yeah, same dot. Put it here. It's quite nice. 400, double. Light is double, and you can see the difference. It's quite bright. 300. Okay, let's 1 minute more. Do it in the same level. You can zoom in the video to check. Nothing. No difference. If I do like this, no big difference. So you don't need to worry if I do a little bit like this. See, still the same 333 like that. But anyway, yeah, that's perfect. So I recommend this battery. This battery, highly recommend if you have. This is a second choice. So right here, 316. And you can check the timing from the start, how long I keep that one. At least 1 minute, how much is go down or up. And this battery start from 300, and this is, you can see. So I will recommend this battery, 18650, is the best option. Yeah. 200. By the time it's getting a little bit hot, and see if I do like this, make difference. This, yeah. So at least after go, that one become like less than 200, and this is still much better. Yeah. See, the location is still same place. After 2 minutes, 3 minutes, still solid. And if this one less than 100, come sure. Almost nearly 100 comes already. But this is okay. Hope you get the idea. I think I will recommend you. See, this is zero here, and I will recommend you use this battery. This battery, second option. But this one, and this is all parallel. No series. So this is 3.7 volt. Maybe this is 3.6 volt. So this is low power Lipo Leon battery, and this is better option. I will recommend this. Hope you like it.
Ini sudah dicoba untuk ganti baterai, ada 2 jenis, jadi di luar baterainya. Dan kami sih rekomennya yang ini ya kita rekomen yang ini, dia bagus, kualitasnya nggak panas juga.
This is not very strong.
Nah yang ini nggak terlalu kuat powernya, jadi dua-duanya bisa sih dipakai, cuma lebih bagus yang ini.
This more fast.
Yang ini
Right.
lebih cepat, terus lebih
And I
terang
make a
juga.
hole for heat. Description.
Dan nggak panas, lebih nggak panas dibanding yang satu lagi.
I make a holes.
Dan di sini juga kita pakai lubang biar sirkulasi dari dalam tetap keluar dan nggak jadi panas. Kemarin kayaknya karena
And we
rapat.
throw out the solar panel because it's almost useless. Very small. Cannot charge your batteries actually.
Untuk solar panelnya kita nggak pakai, panel suryanya kita nggak pakai soalnya agak kurang berguna. Jadi kita buang aja. Soalnya powernya kecil banget, nggak bisa ngecas.
So not safe because outside. And I can change battery.
Oke, jadi lebih aman kalau dipakai di luar. Nah ini bisa diganti-ganti, plugnya dua-duanya ada, bisa diganti-ganti. Kita pakai seperti itu ngakalinnya.
Check the link in the description. I write YouTube link.
Yang
Complete testing and how I'm.
Yang mau bisa cek, kami sudah taruh di deskripsi untuk linknya, dicek aja
YouTube channel.
di